everyone, welcome. I'm Makenna, a product specialist here at Clerk AI. We've shipped a lot over the past couple of weeks, and a ton of it came straight from your feedback. You told us what you needed, and we listened. And today, I'm excited to walk you through what's new. First up, agent analytics. Pre-built dashboards that show how your agents are performing. No setup, no dragging widgets around. Pick your window, 1 hour, 1 day, or longer, and all the data is live. The full picture at a glance. Executions, failures, rate limits. Then it goes deeper. Which node run, which tools you called, how long each took, and how often they were recalled. If you're hitting your own APIs, this is where you spot the slow ones. For voice, we get metrics built for the pipeline. Average call length, total talk time, inbound versus outbound volume, and how calls actually ended, including warm transfers. And that's just part of what we've landed recently, with way more on the way. Keep the feedback coming. It's shaping exactly what we build next. I'm Makenna, and thanks for watching. Go try it.